I just got a Pusheen box and it's my first one ever, so let's unbox it together. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this Pusheen box for spring 2024. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Okay, first we have to get into the box because it's literally so cute. It's shaped like Pusheen. We got the feet here at the bottom. We even got the tail back here. We got some bread. It's so cute. So this is the box. And they do these boxes quarterly, so if you would get a subscription for one of these, you would get one box a season. All right, let's open this up. So this is what the box looks like on the inside. You can see Pusheen here, and then here are all the goodies that we are going to unbox in this video. So first there's this little card that says let's roll, and so this is the theme of this month's box, and they show you all the different goodies you can get in your box. So it looks like there's a hoodie, a mini wooden tray, a satin eye mask, a mini plush, a ceramic mug, there's a linen journal, a vinyl figure, and sticker sheets. So the first thing we've got here is this linen journal. This is so cute. I have to open it up to see what it feels like, but you can see Pusheen on here sitting next to these loads of bread. Literally so cute. Yeah, it's really soft. I can always make use of a journal. Like, it really doesn't matter what I'm writing down. I have something to write down. I always have something to say. So I can make use of this journal. The next thing, oh, we got a little plush. How cute and soft. So it says it's a Pusheen box exclusive, and this is the mini plush. This is literally so cute. Looking like a loaf of bread. It says you'll loaf this mini plush. Cause you'll loaf of, you get it. So next we've got the loafin' vinyl figure, and this is what it looks like. It's Pusheen. What it looks like what's sitting on, what are we sitting on here? Is this a sesame bagel? Perhaps? Okay, this is the figure right here. Definitely sitting on a donut or a bagel. It's giving bagel because of the sesame seeds, but like, donuts have a lot of flavors. Like, there's nothing that says you can't have a sesame donut, you know what I mean? So it could be either one. But either way, this is super cute. It also looks like a little spaceship. Like a little bread spaceship. Next, we've got the Carb Club mug. And this is what it looks like. So this is cute. This is the Carb Club mug. Always warm and toasty. This is cute. I am a member of the aggressively collecting mug collection community. As a member of the collects way too many mugs community, I am excited to have this as an addition to my always and ever growing collection of mugs. I feel like these boxes always give you a mug, and as somebody like me who really likes mugs, it's like a win every time. Like, new mug, new mug, new mug. Next we've got this wooden tray. This is what it looks like. This is super cute. You can always use a tray. Like, if you have any like sort of trinkets like sitting on like a table, you can arrange them on this tray. It just makes everything look so much cleaner. Like, trays are great for your little knickknacks, your keys, arranging things, fruit bowl. Like, I love a tray. This is so cute. Is that good? Okay, it's a good tray. Oh my gosh, there's still stuff in here. So much stuff in the box. I feel very spoiled. Next, we've got this satin sleep mask. This is cute. I would give this to somebody because me personally, I just can't, like, I've tried sleep masks at many different points in my life, and I just can't have something sitting on my face. Like, it's not comfortable for me. So I will be giving this away to a friend. But very, very cute. Next, we've got this hoodie. It says let's roll on it. It's got Pusheen with the bread. Let's roll. And then on the back, it's the same as the mug. The Carb Club. Always warm and toasty. This is cute. It's way too hot to wear now here at any point. Just too hot, but when I can wear it, I will. It's very nice. I like the color. It's cream but not white. Yeah, it's got some warm material in here. Can't do it right now, too hot, but super cute. Love it. And the last thing in the box is the sticker set. These are pretty nicely sized, might I add. All bread related. Very cute. Okay, as you guys know, this is my first Pusheen box, so let me share my thoughts. So I get a lot of like cute subscription boxes, and this is my first time getting, like I said, the Pusheen box. And I think the stuff is really good. Like, first, y'all know I collect plushies, so it's always nice to get a plush in your box. Like, to me, when I think of a cute subscription box, like one of the things I should always be getting, whether it's a keychain or like a full size or a mini size, I should be getting a plushie. Like, when you think of cute stuff, you think of like plushies. Like, I have to have a plushie. So I feel like it ticks that box. Like I said, a mug is a very typical item in these kind of boxes, and I always want to see it. I want a mug in every box. I want a mug in every box. Like, I love mugs. These are so cute, and I love to collect them, and a lot of people do. And a lot of people might not acknowledge the fact that they collect mugs, but if you've got more than 4 mugs, well, baby, you're a collector. You're a collector. It's okay, join the club. The vinyl figure is just straight up cute. Like, this is something I probably realistically would never buy, but to get it in my box, the value of this is good. Because this is definitely, at a minimum, $15 in the store. The satin sleep mask makes for a great gift. Like I said, I can't use it myself because I have that. I don't want anything on my face. But it makes for a great gift. It's really cute. And if I wore sleep mask and I received this, I would use it. I like it. It's cute. I especially like the croissants on here. I think I want a croissant. Next, the linen journal. I love this. I feel like this is a very practical item, and it's cute, and I will find a use for it. I think you should always have some practical stuff in the box because, like, sometimes nobody wants to open a box of just 8 plushies. I mean, in a perfect world, yes, but like, we pay for a subscription box of a diverse set of items. You want to make sure you get a diverse set of items. Like this wooden tray. I love this. This is very practical as well. Like, 2 really, really practical items and a few really cute ones. Like, I feel like there's a good balance in the box. Now, wowed by the fact that you also got a clothing item. That's something you don't see a lot of these other boxes doing. Giving out clothes, okay, in the box. Because they could charge, for the price of the box, which I believe is $43.95 for like 1 box, not for the yearly subscription. But for the price of the box, it's about $43. They could charge about $34 for the hoodie. So, like, okay. Y'all see where I'm coming from? Like, the value's pretty good. And then you got this big sticker set. Not the little, not big sticker set. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items. I think that's really good. A lot of other boxes do 4 or 5. Like, I think 8. I think that's a really good price. So yeah, this is my box. I am super happy with it. I got some really cool stuff. I can't wait to use the journal. The mug is gonna go into my mug collection area. Pusheen plush is going to go into my plushie zone and, you know, become a hit there, a big star, big celeb. And I got some other stuff that I can use as well, like the wooden tray. And I can even put my stickers in my notebook. The hoodie will have to wait her season, her turn in the sun. Really happy with what I ended up with in the box. So a big thank you to Pusheen Box and Culturefly for sending me this box to try out. I'm really, really happy with it. I think it's just too cute, and it's a really good value for the money that you pay. So if you guys are interested in getting one, there will be a link in my description box for you guys to get a subscription of your own. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.